Hey, BraveHearts, how you doing? I'm here with Kathy, and guess where we are? Yes, that's right. We are in Barrie, Ontario still. Didn't leave yet because I can't. Because Monday, Kathy's going to be with us and helping to assist us do a New World Practitioner training. That's right. We're going to be doing New World Practitioner training where we're doing a whole life coach starting on Monday for 9 days, taking a day break, and we have 2 spots left still. And then we'll be doing, Dr. Sage Wolf will be doing the most powerful body work in the world. And it really is. Does your body worker or you as a body worker, do you give a money back guarantee on your work that you are going to stop somebody? Not stop them, but show them they don't need surgery, that they don't need to limp, they don't need that cane, they don't need that walker, that they are amazing, and there's a healer inside? I hope you get this, okay? So anyways, then after Dr. Sage is done after 12 days, then we've got a day break, and then there'll be a 3-day a woman's pelvic course, Masterclass, which is brilliant, isn't it?
Absolutely.
And Kathy's going to be assisting on that. And then guess what? I'll be going to Kelowna to do some lectures, and I'll also be going to Kelowna to do some private trainings for some health professionals there. And then I'm off to Calgary in July to do another New World Practitioner training. And then guess who's coming with us to Australia? Yeah, that's right, Kathy's coming. And she's going to be helping to assist in Australia as well, okay? She's going to have to leave her beautiful clinic here. And she has a beautiful clinic, don't you?
I think so, yes.
Yeah.
If I say so myself.
Off to the right here, you can see her backyard. It's really beautifully done. Lots of light coming in, okay? And here she's got all the products. She's got all the charts, okay? And then charts behind me. You know, she has a cardio med bed. Okay, she's well invested. Do you know a cardio med bed is, okay, first of all, if you had perfect circulation, would you have perfect health? Answer yes. And understand something. Does the medical system or does any other practitioners you know, do they know how to bring back perfect circulation? I'm talking about this. If you got a 90% block in your heart, could somebody in 35 to 37 hours with an energy medicine device and knowing a certain type of body work called Wolf Non-Surgical and using our nutraceuticals, could they tell you that you're going to have a whole new set of arteries in your heart and you don't have to go for surgery? Well, I can, and I can scientifically prove that. Go to powerpackhealth.com and take a look, because she also has a Cellsonic. Now, this is a device that costs $125,000 US, puts out 25,000 volts, and understand it can grow bones back together. We actually have people that have had their spine cut, okay? You heard what I said, where it has actually helped the spine to grow back together. We have people that when they do the Cellsonic, it can shut down stage 4 inflammation in one treatment. But because she's also a whole life coach, she'll work with them on an emotional level, won't she?
Absolutely.
And crack their coconut open and take a look at their belief systems, because guess what? Your belief systems are your personality, and they create your reality. So she does non-surgical. She does she also has, and everyone that comes here, they get a free bone density check. And just know this, the more that you're losing calcium from your bones, the more of a terrorist you are. That's right. You have an inflamed mind because you're stressing yourself out, and you have an inflammation diet, which means that you're eating and addicted to inflammatory foods. So she's going to help you create the perfect day.
Absolutely. Every day has to be the perfect day.
So what happens is that everybody comes for a different reason, don't they?
Well, yeah. There's been an array of assortment already, and it's just amazing, the people that don't realize what they've been doing wrong, or gently easing them into the process here. It's a bit of an eye-opener for a lot, and I'm just pleased that we have the resources here now to help emotionally, physically, on every plane.
And understand something, everyone. You know, she's talking about the patient level. I will tell you this much, and I will say it, and I mean it in a loving way, because I'm open to medical doctors, nurses, natural health practitioners, those people who have never ever taken a course in their life, and anybody can become the most amazing practitioner and show people how to heal themselves, cure themselves. We show people how to cure themselves, and understand that. And I just want you to understand that when you took our New World Practitioner course, do we support you at all?
100%. I am just amazed at how much Dr. Wolf is at your beck and call. Who else does that? Who else does that? And we give a money back guarantee.
That's right.
Yeah.
We give a money back guarantee on all our consults, all our body work. I mean, who else does this? So understand something. This is not me being cocky. This is not Kathy being cocky, because Kathy's not cocky, but Daryl could be cocky, that's for sure. But the reality is this is us telling you, guess what? There's a better way, okay? Understand something. When I first got out of high school, I went and I became a massage therapist. Did you know that?
Yes.
And when I went there, I got out. I was a registered massage therapist. I gave it up in 6 months. I even gave up paying the dues because I actually came up with Wolf non-surgical, and they threatened me and said that you can't do that. And I said, yes, I can. Watch me. Okay, so anyways, I've been doing that now, and I put that together when I was 26 years old. Guess what? I'm going to be 67, okay, years old in a few weeks. That's how long I've been doing it. That's how long I've been offering a money-back guarantee. And as far as my whole life coach program, let me tell you something. Most of the people that come, they are not whole life coaches. These online programs, you can forget it, okay? And a lot of these people say, oh, I'm a whole life coach. Really? Wow. Really? Looking at you physically and picking up on you emotionally, you're a whole life coach? Listen to me, you can't give what you're not. And understand, will I crack the coconut?
You cracked mine, and it's still being cracked because there's layer upon layer there with me for many, many years. You just don't realize how much the indoctrination is. The programming.
It's programming.
Yeah.
Let's get rid of the indoctrination because let's just talk about programming, because if they can brainwash you, you can brainwash yourself. Mm-hmm. And so that's what you're actually coming to do when you take a whole life coach program. Or come for a non-surgical. We are there to brainwash you into the effect that, guess what? There should be only one master, and that's you. Okay, you should be the leader of your life, not following anybody around. Don't follow Dr. Wolf. Don't follow the herd, because they're going off the cliff. And understand that. And you want to be a leader in this world? Well, I'm going to tell you something right now. If you want to be a leader in this world, then you're going to have to realize that whatever the majority does, you're going to have to do the opposite. Now, people kid about that, but let me tell you something. There has never been any truer words spoken. The whole time I've been around, which is, almost 67 years, I'll tell you something right now, and it's never changed. And that is that the herd will always do it. And I'm going to tell you something. The majority of natural health practitioners, God love them. They're putting their heart into it. But their strategies and their routines and their techniques are not that powerful. And they're not. You know, you talk about using a device that's 25,000 volts, okay, that actually can create little fractures in the bones like that you used to do and get when you were younger, that created the calcium ions that actually created 120,000 hormonal and chemical processes in every second. That's what this does. It'll also decalcify the mitochondria, which, guess what? Did you know that there's not one disease on the planet that is not a mitochondrial problem? Your mitochondria, everyone, are called the powerhouse of your cell. And what happens is because you're a terrorist, you don't even know it, because you're just like everybody else out there. Oh my God, oh my God. You know what? I am not scared of anything. And you can say, oh, yes, you are. Nobody can get away from fear. Have I ever been fearful?
No, not.
You know
not
what?
at all.
She's seen me threatened by the government. Have you seen me threatened?
Oh, yes.
Have you seen Marketplace, which is a TV show, come after me when I'm trying to do lectures and try to say that, oh my God, we'll get him? Let me tell you something right now. You need to find your BraveHeart, okay, everyone? You need to find your passion, find your purpose, like Kathy. And listen, Kathy, you hit bumps in the road. You find that your personality challenges you in growing, but what do? You push forward, don't you?
You have to push forward. Always take that extra, whatever doesn't make you feel comfortable, you have to risk a little bit each day. Step outside the box. Just go for it. Follow your heart. And
yeah, well, I'm talking about this. I mean, look what she did. Okay. She bought a Cellsonic that was $125,000, guys. we give complete training with it, don't we?
Absolutely.
A whole new world practitioner course comes with it free.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. And then you bought yourself a cardio med bed. That's another big expense. Okay. But the reality is she's got the most powerful tools. She's got the most powerful energy medicine device behind me, and I can prove it. This is not a pitch. Okay. Then she's got a cardio med bed that, guess what? Come and go on her cardio med bed and come on it for an hour. Did you know that the cardio med bed is the most powerful workout the human body can do at restoring circulation and healing the whole body? Yeah, you guys, go watch the videos. Go to PowerPack, okay, powerpack.health, powerpack.com, and take a look. And you'll see that Kathy does both of these things. And let's bring on the power of healing. And she knows what that's all about because she's very busy. And understand, the people that Kathy gets? She gets the people that say, I've had enough of, the emergency care system. And she also gets the people that go to the so-called natural health practitioners that everybody goes to. So if you want something different, do something different and meet Mrs. Different.
Thank you. Yes.
Yes. So Kathy, how would they get in touch with you?
Okay. So I live in Barrie, Ontario, Canada, and my phone number is 705-715-8716. I'm also, it's under production right now. Hopefully we'll get it underway. But my information is at that's my email, info@advancedhealing.ca, or advancedhealing.ca is my website that's under production.
And you don't have to wait for a website. Just give her a call. And what's that number again?
705-715-8716. I'd love to hear from you.
Yeah. And guess what, guys? I'm going to say it again because everybody likes a money-back guarantee. Does your practitioner give you a money-back guarantee? And I'm going to guarantee you something. The day that you decide that you want to love, honor, and respect yourself, invest some time and some money into yourself, the whole world's going to change. And understand something. You have been limited by belief systems that you don't even know. And guess who's blowing them up? Kathy is. Thanks for joining us. Have a beautiful day, all you beautiful Bravehearts. Okay? And check me out at braveheartnation.com or otherwise bhnuniversity.com if you've always been sitting on the fence and wondering, should I go for it? Go for it.